Your $40,000 kitchen remodel could look outdated before you even finish it. Top designers just revealed the 12 kitchen design trends for 2026 that are completely changing the game. And trend number 7 is so unexpected that even contractors are shocked. But here's what nobody's telling you. 90% of homeowners are making one costly mistake that kills resale value. Stick around because I'm breaking down every 2026 kitchen trend backed by research, and you'll discover which trend designers say is non-negotiable. Let's get into it. Trend 1. Curved organic shapes say goodbye to sharp corners and boxy cabinets. Curved kitchen islands and rounded countertops are dominating 2026 kitchen trends, and there's actual science behind this. Designers found that organic curved shapes improve traffic flow by up to 30% in open-plan homes. Think soft, flowing edges on your island, rounded cabinet corners, and even curved backsplashes. This isn't just about aesthetics. Curved kitchens create natural gathering spots where people actually want to hang out. The bonus. Safer for families with kids and way more Instagram-worthy. Trend 2. Warm neutrals over stark whites. White kitchens are officially out. The hottest kitchen design trend for 2026. Warm neutrals like mushroom, grege, caramel, and deep forest greens. These colors shift beautifully with natural light, giving you that chameleon effect throughout the day. Pair them with natural wood tones and you get grounded luxury that feels cozy, not sterile. Interior designers are calling this the warm minimalism movement, and it's perfect if you want timeless style without the cold, clinical vibe of all-white everything. Trend 3. Smart kitchen technology. Your kitchen is about to get a serious IQ boost. AI-powered appliances are leading the 2026 kitchen trends, and we're talking next-level stuff. Voice-activated ovens that preheat on command. Smart fridges that track your inventory and suggest recipes based on what you have. And pantries with sensors that tell you when you're running low on essentials. This technology makes cooking hands-free and intuitive. Imagine your fridge reminding you to use that chicken before it expires, or your oven adjusting temperature automatically for perfect results every time. This is happening now. Trend 4. Sustainable kitchen materials. Eco-friendly is the new luxury. Reclaimed wood cabinets, recycled glass countertops, and FSC-certified materials are crushing it in 2026 kitchen design. But here's what makes this trend different. These sustainable materials actually outperform traditional options. Recycled composite countertops are more durable than standard granite, and reclaimed wood adds character you can't fake. Homeowners are choosing these for zero-waste appeal and energy efficiency, plus they look incredible. You get to save the planet and boost your home value at the same time. Trend 5. Hidden pantries and invisible storage. The biggest kitchen trend for 2026 is what you don't see. Invisible walk-in pantries hidden behind seamless cabinet doors are replacing open shelving chaos. We're talking butler's pantries with built-in counters, sinks, and small appliances completely concealed from view. Trend 6. Mixed material drama. Get ready for serious visual tension. Pairing contrasting materials is huge in 2026 kitchen trends. Think polished granite slabs next to recycled composites or unfinished wood against sleek chrome fixtures. This creates depth and personality that single material kitchens just can't match. The trick? Use massive, heavy materials on delicate frames for that shouldn't work but totally does effect. This challenges expectations and makes your kitchen feel custom and high-end. Quick timeout. If you're loving these 2026 kitchen design trends, smash that like button right now so more people can discover this. And drop a comment telling me which trend you're most excited about. Are you team curved islands or team smart tech? Let me know below. Now let's keep going because the next 6 trends are absolute fire. Trend 7. Sculptural statement lighting. Lighting just became art. Oversized, asymmetrical pendant lights and sculptural sconces are acting as focal points in 2026 kitchen trends. These aren't just lights, they're conversation pieces. Hang one massive, modular pendant over your island and it defines the entire space while blending task lighting with ambient glow. Designers love how these pieces add architectural drama and create zones without walls. Think bold shapes, mixed metals, and fixtures that make people say, wow, when they walk in. Trend 8. Workstation sinks. Your sink is about to become your most productive zone. Workstation sinks with integrated cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks are one of the smartest 2026 kitchen trends. These deeper sinks turn food prep into a contained, efficient system. You're not moving around the kitchen juggling tasks, everything happens in one spot. Plus, they come in matte composite finishes that hide water spots and scratches. It's like having a professional prep station in your home. Trend 9. Textured glass elements. Glass is getting an upgrade. Tinted, frosted, or reed glass cabinet doors with LED backlighting create rhythmic patterns while concealing clutter elegantly. This 2026 kitchen trend adds subtle luxury without the commitment of full transparency. You get the light-reflecting benefits of glass with the practical advantage of hiding messy shelves. The texture catches light in different ways throughout the day, giving your kitchen that expensive, layered look. Trend 10. Statement stone slabs. Book-matched marble and quartzite with bold veining are taking over 2026 kitchen design. We're seeing slabs flow from countertops up the backsplash in waterfall designs, using vivid greens, purples, and dramatic black and white patterns. This creates a monolithic, high-impact look that screams luxury. The key is letting the stone be the star parrot with simple cabinet colors so the natural beauty takes center stage. Trend 11. Intelligent storage systems. Floor-to-ceiling hutch cabinets with AI-powered tracking are optimizing every single inch of your kitchen. These smart pull-out systems know what you store where and can even suggest better organization. Say goodbye to counter-clutter with adaptive shelving that adjusts to your needs. This 2026 kitchen trend is all about workflow, making cooking easier by putting everything exactly where you need it when you need it. Trend 12. Fluid integrated layouts. The kitchen living room wall is officially gone. Fluid integrated layouts are the ultimate 2026 kitchen trend, blending cooking spaces into living areas with extended cabinetry and cozy nooks. This isn't open concept chaos, it's strategic zoning with curves and smart design that creates multi-use spaces. You get function without sacrificing style, and the flow makes entertaining effortless. There you have it, 12 research-backed kitchen design trends for 2026 that top designers are obsessed with. From curved organic shapes to AI-powered smart kitchens, these trends blend sustainability, technology, and bold style. If you're planning a kitchen remodel in 2026, these ideas will future-proof your space and seriously boost your home value. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our home design videos. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and if you want more renovation hacks, check out the video popping up on your screen right now. Your dream kitchen starts here. Let's make it happen.